দশকে তার নৃত্যশৈলীর এক নতুন ঘরানা দেশে তো বটেই, পাশাপাশি ইউরোপ ও আমেরিকায় ব্যাপক সাড়া ফেলে। ভারতীয় নৃত্যশিল্পী তথা কোরিওগ্রাফার উদয় শঙ্করের নৃত্যের বৈশিষ্ট্য ফিউশন। সেখানে ভারতীয় ধ্রুপদী ধারার সঙ্গে মিশেছে নাটকের শৈলী, তাতে ছোঁয়া রয়েছে লোকনৃত্য আর আদিবাসী নৃত্যেরও। এক অন্য ধারার আধুনিক নৃত্য পরিকল্পনা। হিন্দু বিষয়ের ওপর ব্যালের আঙ্গিকে তার বহু নাচ জনপ্রিয়। নৃত্য পরিকল্পনার মধ্যে অন্যতম রাধা কৃষ্ণ। ব্যালের আধারে রচিত নৃত্যনাট্য কল্পনাকে ছায়া ছবিতে ধরে তিনি সে সময় রীতিমতো সাড়া ফেলে দেন। দূরদর্শনে প্রচারিত নাট্য বিশারদ শম্ভু মিত্রের সঙ্গে উদয় শঙ্করের কথোপকথনের কিছু অংশ।
When did you first dance? I mean, dance before the public?
Oh, that was in, I think, 1920.
1920. And
when I was a student in London.
Oh yes, you were a student of the art school.
And I used to dance for the students and all that. Then Lady Dorabji Tata, she got to know about me. And we had a sort of India Day in Wembley exhibition.
Yes, that's what you said. Yes.
And I have to dance a dance. I did not know what I was going to dance on, but something came in my hand. I'll do a dance of Shiva.
And when was your last production? Shankarscope was the last one?
Yes, Shankarscope is the last one.
That was in 1971, I think.
72,
72.
Also.
72. It started in 72. Yes. That means from 20 to 72, 52 years you have been working as an active artist. Now, about all these years, do you want to say something, I mean, specifically about any of your creations? For example, for me, as I would prefer. For example, your dance item of Purush Prakriti, or your item of this
Eternal Melody,
and this one about this labor and machinery. These things are very, very contemporary. And can you tell us something about those, or about how you created that Tandava in Paris, as you were telling me?
Yes, when I was in America, Ananda Kumar Swami presented me a book called Mirror of Gesture. And this book had a plate of Nataraj. So in the bed I was just looking at it going on for hours. It passed, I don't know how. Then I wanted to try. I had rather bad condition, you know. I was living in the attic of a hotel.
Yes.
And as soon as I started, all the floor went crack like that, you know.
Yes.
Then I had to stop. And then I went to the studio and started. So I found out that it was not only pose of Nataraj.
Yes. Not a static.
It has many movements.
Yes.
It goes, you know.
How it goes, huh?
You see. Many movements. I wish I could dance.
উদয় শঙ্করের জন্মদিনে আজ তার স্মৃতিতে রইল আমাদের শ্রদ্ধার্ঘ্য।